Let's go over some common ez-dispense issues and how to fix them. First, make sure the ez-dispense is on by checking the indicator for dispenser 1 and 2. If the indicator lights are off, press ez-dispense 1 or 2 to turn the ez-dispense back on. Your ez-dispense may be dispensing too much or too little detergent or softener. Check out our How to Use the ez-dispense video if you need help setting the amount. If the ez-dispense indicator is blinking and you hear the refill alarm, check the compartments. Make sure you have plenty of detergent or softener. If you are running low, fill the compartment up to the max line. If the indicator continues to blink, it could be a detergent or softener buildup. In this case, try cleaning the ez-dispense compartments. You should also clean the ez-dispense if you see the ED1 or ED3 error code on your display. Remove the drawer and clean it with warm water and a soft brush. While cleaning, make sure the ventilation holes are not clogged up with hardened detergent or softener. Be sure the drawer and compartments are dry before reinserting it. Reinsert the ez-dispense drawer. Refill the compartments. Close the ez-dispense drawer. If the ED1 or ED3 error code or refill alarm doesn't disappear, call your LG service center for support. Detergent left on the clothes after washing. This probably means you have accidentally inserted detergent into the softener compartment. Make sure you have softener in the softener dispenser. If you are experiencing white residue on washed clothes, try cleaning the ez-dispense system. This may happen if you are using both dispensers for liquid detergent and didn't run the ez-dispense nozzle clean function in advance. Fill the compartments with water. Then run the nozzle clean function. If you need help using the nozzle clean function, check out our video on how to clean the ez-dispense drawer. You may be experiencing leakage inside the ez-dispense compartments. First, check if the ez-dispense drawer is tilted. Also check if the lids are securely tightened. Insert the drawer making sure it is horizontal and not tilted. Make sure the drawer is fully closed and you are done. Thank you for using LG washing machines.